Have you ever looked at a jet engine, a surgical implant, or even a luxury watch and wondered what makes them so strong, so sleek, and so lightweight? Chances are it's titanium. But how does this incredible metal go from raw, rocky ore deep underground to one of the most important materials in high-tech industries? Welcome to Tidbit Fact, where we explore the hidden processes behind the things we use every day. Today, we're uncovering the amazing journey of titanium, from Earth to engineering marvel. Let's start with the basics. Titanium isn't found in nature as pure metal. Instead, it's locked inside two main minerals, ilmenite and rutile. These minerals are mined in countries like Australia, South Africa, and Canada, using powerful machines in open-pit mines. Once brought to the surface, the ore is crushed and washed to remove unwanted materials. Even though titanium is one of the most abundant elements in Earth's crust, it's rarely found on its own because it bonds easily with oxygen. So how do we get the pure stuff? That's where the science gets interesting. The most common method for extracting titanium is called the Kroll process, developed back in the 1940s. Here's how it works. First, the ore is mixed with chlorine gas and carbon, then heated to about 1000 degrees Celsius. This turns the titanium into a liquid called titanium tetrachloride, while leaving impurities behind. Next, this liquid is purified by distillation, kind of like making clean water, but way hotter and more dangerous. Finally, the purified titanium compound is reacted with magnesium or sodium in a sealed, oxygen-free chamber. The result? A rough, spongy form of the metal known as titanium sponge. But titanium sponge isn't ready for prime time yet. It needs to be melted and refined using special techniques like vacuum arc remelting or electron beam melting. This step removes the last traces of impurity and produces solid blocks called ingots. These ingots are the foundation for everything titanium becomes next. Now comes the shaping stage. The titanium ingots are heated, forged, and rolled into various forms, sheets, rods, tubes, depending on what they'll be used for. But working with titanium is tough. It's super strong and doesn't play well with normal cutting tools. Engineers use special tools and cooling techniques to machine it without causing damage. And here's where things get really cool. Titanium becomes even more powerful when mixed with other elements like aluminum, vanadium, or molybdenum. These titanium alloys are used in everything from airplanes and rockets to prosthetic limbs and sports gear. Each blend is carefully designed for strength, weight, and durability. After shaping, titanium parts often go through finishing processes. Some are polished to a mirror-like shine, especially in medical tools and implants. Others are heat-treated or coated to resist corrosion or handle extreme heat, perfect for aerospace. And with anodizing, titanium can even show off a rainbow of vibrant colors, making it a favorite in jewelry and fashion. But like any industrial process, titanium production has its downsides. It requires a lot of energy, and the Kroll process creates chemical waste. That said, titanium is long-lasting and, best of all, recyclable. Many titanium parts, especially from planes or medical devices, can be reused again and again. Scientists are also working on cleaner methods, like the FFC Cambridge process, which uses electrolysis to reduce environmental impact. So why go through all this effort? Because titanium is a game changer. It's strong but light-resistant to rust and heat, safe inside the human body, and beautiful too, whether it's flying through the sky, saving lives in surgery, or shining on a luxury watch, titanium is built to perform. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into how titanium is made. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Tidbit Fact. Got an idea for our next video? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it and give you a shout out too. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed. This is Tidbit Fact.